Hello and welcome to my channel, En Casa de Araceli. Today we will be preparing cream of asparagus. The ingredients are half a pound of asparagus, 2 celery ribs, 1 medium potato, small onion, 2 cubes of chicken bouillon, 1 fresh basil leaf, half a cup of sour cream, salt, pepper, and oil. We start by chopping the ends off the asparagus. Asparagus is a good source of fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins, and it also helps you lose weight. Then cut the tips and chop the rest into small pieces. We also chop the celery into small cubes and dice the onion. Then peel the potato and chop it into small cubes as well. In a pot, pour some olive oil and wait for it to warm up. Then add the onion and let it saute for a bit. Next, add the celery, the potato, and asparagus and allow them to cook for 10 minutes at low heat. Next, add 3 cups of water, 2 cubes of chicken bouillon, and the basil leaf, and let it boil for 10 minutes. Once cooked, let's get the asparagus tips and basil leaf and set aside. Then add sour cream and stir. You can also use milk instead if you don't want to use sour cream. Now let's put all the ingredients in the pot into the blender and puree. Season with salt and pepper at your taste. This is how I prepare cream of asparagus. Thanks for the attention and support. Please subscribe and share. Till next time.